Hi guys, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give an update on my strawberries. Today is May 7th and this one here, as you can see, has a bunch of fruits. They're all green. This one is loaded with fruits as well. And it's so exciting because I have a few of my strawberries that have started turning. Look at that. This one has two of them. I can probably harvest one of them today. Look at that. These are still green. These ones are still green. Let's go right here. This is the second row. We have some that have started turning. This row here, we have flowers and they're all greens. And then here, right here, look at this. Isn't that awesome? Wow, look at that. Ooh, this is our first strawberry harvest of the season. Hooray! It's so exciting, guys. And here's another one. This one is not very ripe yet, so I'll leave it in there. Maybe come back tomorrow to harvest it. So, these are the plants in this bed. This part right here, these are potatoes. And then we're gonna go to my other strawberry bed. These are the strawberries that I was supposed to transfer to my raised bed. Unfortunately, they started producing already when I was ready to transfer them, so I just let them grow. And woo, look at that. Okay, I'll take this. And let's see, oops, on this side. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's just awesome, guys. Oh, this is really cool. I got 3 for now. Let's see. I think that's it. There's one here, but it's not quite ready yet. We ended up getting 4 strawberries today. Look at that. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again in my next video.